Okay, it's morning time.
I need this coffee to wake me up, okay?
So we're in the loading process and we're just gonna chat a little bit in the morning. I've really been wanting to change my routine. My life is so unstructured and a little chaotic. I have no routine in my whole life. I haven't been able to maintain like a healthy routine. I don't know what's wrong with me. Everybody on the internet is having like this 6 a.m. it girl routine. I was gonna do that today, but I subconsciously shut off every alarm, and I had hella alarms and I snoozed them all in my sleep. We're here at 8 a.m. It's good enough. It's better than my waking up at noon, right? I'm going through a rebranding. I'm trying to incorporate more aesthetic shots, animations, or whatever. Just trying to spice up my videos. I'm also trying to be more open. I feel like I don't talk enough. I don't talk a lot about my thoughts, how I'm feeling, or like goals and my plans. Like that's what I kind of want to do in this video, is just open up a little bit. I don't really talk about mental health. Well, I wouldn't say ever. Sometimes I mention like depression, anxiety. I want to talk about it. It's a big thing in my life. I shouldn't feel so scared to talk about it. It's so weird because I'm a Gen Z. If anything, we are the reason why mental health issues are so prevalent. So I kind of want to be a part of that. I want to share some of my struggles or whatever. So I'll start with one. Recently, I've realized how bad it is to
Bully yourself. Okay, look.
Look, I know. It sounds like common freaking sense, you know? If you bully yourself every day and you're your biggest bully, you're gonna have low self-esteem and depression and just feel overall bad. Like, I have been bullying myself for years, especially the past 2 years. And my husband helped me realize a few days ago how bad it's gotten. So I figured I'd cut it down a notch. And I can actually tell in my videos because I talk a lot in front of the camera. I do. Like, I talk a shit ton. Like, I just don't shut the fuck up.
Sorry, that was mean to myself. I'm sorry.
Self-hug, right? Whenever I'm editing, like, I just cut out everything I have to say about everything. And I'm hearing my voice, I just hate it so much. I don't know if I've mentioned this ever. The second I post a video, I never watch it again. Because the second I know, like, a bunch of other people have watched it, all I can think about are all of the bad perspectives that are looking into my video and judging me. Who is doing that? You guys are the sweetest people ever. No one ever says mean things in my comments, and I'm literally the only one on myself. That's why my self-esteem is so low. I'm starting from ground zero. Plus I had a manic episode last week, so ready for a new chapter. I'm ready for a whole new mindset, and I'm gonna work towards it with you guys. And that's why I'm gonna spend 24 hours making only the right decisions. I feel like that will give me perspective on how I should treat my day. Wow, look, it's so aesthetic. This pen is my favorite pen. It's a bone. Up next, meditation. I'm a little scared to meditate. I haven't done it in a very long time, and you really have to control your thoughts. My brain is like a hamster on wheels.
It doesn't stop thinking. It doesn't stop running.
It's for like 10 minutes, you know? But sitting there in silence feels like eternity. We're gonna try it. We're gonna do it. Wow. Oh, look at this lighting. What? Maybe I'll get a thumbnail. Hold on. Oh my god, shoot me. So that was nice. That was, it was enlightening, actually. Didn't think I would really learn from that, but I did in that 10 minutes. I was overthinking about my surroundings. I kept thinking the candle was on fire. And usually when you're meditating, you're supposed to push every thought away and just like completely vibe out. Yeah, it was kind of hard for me. It was pretty difficult. It did give me perspective on how my mind works at the moment. And there's nothing wrong with thinking, but there's something wrong with overthinking. You can check meditation off the list for this morning. I haven't worked out since I can't even remember. I literally can't. Getting yourself to the gym is like the hardest part, but when you're there, you just never regret it. The only right decision when it comes down to, should I go to the gym? Yes,
Because I want that hot girl summer body.
I've got till April, June. Well, that's summer, isn't it? I got like 2 months. Okay, we're here. You wanna know what ridiculous thing that I do? It's like ultimate introvert. I have AirPods here and these I can't talk today, holy shit. I've got these headphones. I've got these AirPods here today and these JBL headphones, and guess what I do? Yeah. And now it's like ultimate, like I can't hear shit. It's haul time. I saw a lot of things at TJ Maxx that I wanted so badly. I found this lemon mug. Oh, it was so cute and I wanted it so bad. But I stopped myself because I was like, I don't want to overspend. I got this. You know, maybe I didn't need this. I intend to use this, so I got this thing for my hair routine. I want to start a hair routine today, okay? My hair is so thin. And low-key, I'm balding. Like, I don't want to point it out because I'm embarrassed. Oh, stop. No, but I'm trying to be more open, right? And then I got this scalp massage. It's good for stimulating your hair follicles or whatever. I got a shower cap, but this one has tiara on it. And I was like, I'm a princess. That was all for my hair care. And then I just needed like some sponge or like exfoliant to shower. And then I got black coasters to match my living room because we only have 2 coasters at the moment. And 2 dipping bowls because I've been wanting some of these. And that's it. That's all I bought. Very boring stuff. Okay, I'm hungry now. I should probably eat something healthy. No, I can eat this. I'm pretty sure this is healthy. I don't have the best relationship with food. I will admit that. Food and we don't like each other. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll get back to you. I'll let you know what I make because I'm really indecisive right now. So there's this bug and it's been here since this morning and I didn't think to like rescue it or anything. I was like, I'm just gonna leave it here to die. I forget I'm trying to make all the right decisions. If you climb up my arm, I will kill you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ew. Oh, don't tell me it's upside down. It's freaking upside down. Dude, okay, there you go. There you go. It fixed itself. Yay. You came on a lucky day. I'm making all the right decisions. So, I saved your life. I swear, ever since we brought a bunch of plants in the house, all of a sudden there's a bunch of bugs. What was I talking about? I definitely want to upload a lot more. And I want to upload longer content. I didn't start making content until TikTok came out. So I got used to the really fast-paced videos. I got stuck in the mindset of making these videos short, fast, quick. Short, fast, quick. Literally all the same adjectives. And I feel like in doing so, it kind of kills your personality and creativity. I mean, actually, you can still be pretty creative, but it is a challenge. It's a really, really big challenge, especially for me. I'm getting tired of watching like 4 different videos in a span of 1 minute. Like I just went from watching a cute baby whale to an airplane crashing. I mean, I love TikTok because you can literally find anything. Every type of person ever is on TikTok. And that's the best thing ever because you can always find someone who's kind of like you. I like it in terms of that. It also comes with its cons. Fake information everywhere, misinterpretations, like filters, that's a huge issue. Why are they so realistic? Oh, that one beauty filter that's trending all over TikTok right now, like it's insane because when you move your hand over your face, you cannot tell that there's a filter. Like if I were to have a daughter right now, I don't even know what I would, like I would just be like, girl, everything on the internet, don't believe it. I would have to restrict so much. And even then I wouldn't trust myself. But yeah, long form videos, I feel like they're healthier for us because I don't think it's natural for us humans to have this much stimulation. It's weird. Anyways. Might be the cutest thing ever. It's bao, it's bread, and has egg custard inside. I got it at H Mart. I first made this yesterday and I did not want to eat it because it's so cute. Look at it. I'm gonna eat it though because this is so good. Wait, it's hot. I'll open it for you guys. Oh yeah. Bro, I want to start a cooking show. Maybe not like a show because that sounds so professional, but like a series, a cooking series. That'll be fun.
Because I have no cooking experience.
And I'm 22. I'm a late bloomer and I'm always late to trends. That's just who I am. This is so good. I'm like mesmerized by it. We're gonna make this hair oil mixture. I did a little research. Oops. I did a little research last night. I think I did the research right. I hope I did. Here I have coconut oil. It's from Amazon. I can link everything below. I have this oil here. And then I have rosemary essential oils. This you have to be really careful with. You have to dilute it with a carrier oil. And I'm gonna use coconut oil. I have prosperity? I don't remember this word. I have high that, so I heard coconut oil is really good for that. I'm gonna put it in here because I'm f***ing extra. So if I did my research right, it's supposed to be 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 3 drops of rosemary oil. And then, I don't remember how much of this. I'm just gonna put like 2 teaspoons, I guess. Let's see if I'm doing this right. I don't know. Someone in the comments, if you have any objections, do let me know. Okay, that was a lot. Oh, that is what it looks like right now. I heard this is supposed to stay warm, and I have my little glass pitcher in warm water, and then I'm gonna pour that into here. It looks like a freaking potion. But yeah, this is my oil. Okay, I have Mac Miller playing in the background. Hopefully you can't hear it because of copyright reasons. Let's get this dry, disgusting hair some nourishment. I heard you're not supposed to put too much oil because it causes like clogs or something, and it's just not good for your hair, so you should keep it at a minimum. Now, I did buy this hair massager thing, and you're supposed to do this for 5 minutes. These prongs right here are meant to go through your hair and straight to your scalp. That way it won't touch the hair and the hair shouldn't really break. Next step, you're not supposed to clip your hair too tight, but just leave it in one of these. I'm really gonna look like this right now. Okay, so I have about like an hour for this hair to really suck up the oils. I'm just gonna clean the house or the apartment looking like this. I'm sorry, I didn't expect myself to look this atrocious. Now time to wash this oil mess. Okay, I'm running super late. I'm having dinner with my mom and my sister's boyfriend. I'm super late. I'm supposed to be there right now. Okay, it's skincare time. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it's because I woke up at 7:30 a.m. It's like midnight now. And I want to show you my skincare routine. Well, my skincare routine got a lot more intricate. I have a lot of steps now and I do different steps every day throughout the week. I can make like a whole separate video on my skincare routine, but let me know if you want to know. I got sent these as PR, but they're actually really, really good. Check them out if you want to. We're gonna use this. It says it exfoliates skin, so these smell so good. It just smells so freaking weird. Anyways. And it even tells you to go down your neck. It says to wear sunscreen after use, but you should always wear sunscreen. Then I have this Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is pretty cool. It smells medicinal. It's a balm. It melts from the heat on your fingers. And then take a warm, damp towel like this and just rub off the balm. And then I use their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a hydrating cream. And that's my skincare routine. I think my skin is pretty good. The only thing that's bad is like down here. Like the chin down here, it's impossible. I always have pimples down here, always. I have like 1 or 2 days out of the month that I am clear, but then that's it. I literally don't care, okay? A pimple's a pimple. My whole life, I've been saying, like, pimples are pimples. Like, why are we, like, freaking out over pimples? I get they look disgusting, but everybody gets them. Sometimes we be freaking out for nothing. When I'm starting to have, like, veins right here, I don't know what that is, but I call it my spider vein. Now I'm just gonna brush my teeth and go to bed.